This is a review on the Klutch 140 SI Mig welding machine. Okay, it weighs 27 pounds. The dimensions 19.7 by 8 by 15. It's a pretty light machine. You can weld stainless steel, mild steel. It even got an adapter to weld aluminum. So let's look at this machine. This is out the box. This is a pretty good machine. I welded a little bit with it, but it comes with all of these accessories. You know, you got a cup here if you're going to be doing MIG welding. You also have some extra tips, and if you're dealing with different size welding wire, so you dealing with 23 thousandths of an inch, 35 thousandths of an inch. You also have your negative pole, and you also have a positive. So you would be getting DC welding out of this machine. And what we're going to be doing today is some flux core arc welding, the E71T-11, which lets you know you don't have to have no shielding gas. So if you are going to be welding MIG, here's a regulator, and it comes with the regulator hose. You just screw it here in the back, and also your on-off power button is in the back. And then you attach it to your regulator, and you have this argon fitting, this male fitting that plugs into your argon, or you can run 75-25 argon CO2. So we're gonna be doing some flux core welding today. I'm gonna zoom in so you can have a look at this. Like I said, the welding wire is the E71T-11. That lets me know that's a tubular wire, inner shield. So I don't need no shielding gas. So that's how you take the drive wheel off if you wanna change different wire sizes. So you have different drive wheels. So if you're going to be doing MIG or TIG, so that's your power button. That's your on and off button. And it also gives you some specs here. If you're running different wire, and it tells you what polarities to run, which we're going to be running that flux core, the E71T-11. And we're going to be welding on something about 1/4 of an inch. So we're going to be running our voltage around 10 and our wire speed, I'll say about 4.5, 5. But we're gonna try different settings just to show you how this machine runs. So I'm gonna take this nozzle off right here and show you how the other nozzle fit on. If you're gonna be doing some MIG welding, only thing you have to do is put this nozzle on right here, because you're gonna be using shielding gas if you're doing MIG welding. Like I said, you plug your gas in from the back, you got your regulator, and you got to go buy a bottle at the welding supply. So we're gonna do flux core, so I'm gonna put this nozzle back on, because you don't need no shielding gas. And you want to make sure this little thing is tight right here so your whip won't come out, your gun won't come out. And you can put pressure on your wire, make sure you don't got no restriction. You see, I'm checking and see how much restriction I got, and that's good right there. So it's ready to go. So I'm gonna set my speed, my wire feed speed. And I'm also set my voltage, and I'm not going to put it on the correct setting just to show you the spatter and stuff that you get when you don't have it set right. As you can look at it, you see my wire feed speed is probably right at 5, and my voltage is a little low, so I should be running about 10 volts or so, or 10 on the nozzle. So make sure these switches and everything is correct. See, I'm turning that up, the wire feed speed, and I'm turning my voltage down. Make sure those are in the down position on MIG, and you're not doing any spot welding. Okay, here we go. So you see all that spatter? That means I'm running too much wire and not enough voltage. So I don't have enough volts to burn that wire down. So let's correct that setting. All right, let's give it a try here now. Still got a little spatter going on, like it's not enough wire. But it's welding pretty good. So let's go ahead and set this machine correct. I'm gonna go ahead and finish this weld out, but I'm gonna show you how it is when you set it correctly. So the correct setting on this would be probably about 9 on the voltage and about 4 or 4.5 on the wire feed speed. So let's buff this off. Here you go, here we go. As you see that weld, we fit to do 2 showing now. I'm gonna do 1 at the bottom and 1 at the top. I got my machine set the way I want it now. Man, this machine welds real smooth. And it's also getting deep penetration also. And you see I'm doing a little whipping action. I don't like to drag it. I like to do a little back and forth whipping action. You can go up and down, however you want. Different techniques you can use. I'm gonna take my grinder and knock it off and let you look at it. You see it's not a bad weld. So now I'm gonna put one right on the top of it. This is what you call 2 showing. So this one is going right on the top. Started off kind of bad, but it smoothed out right here about the first ½ inch. And that also is high for you hold your work distance also. After a 1/4 inch work distance is good, a little bit more, maybe 3/8 of an inch would be great. So I'm gonna buff this off and just let you see what 2 showing looks like. All right, that's 2 showing. You see at the end, I've got a little porosity. It starts spattering a little bit. But now we fit to do a 3 showing. So I'm gonna put 1 at the bottom, 1 on top of it, and then 1 on the top. So we're going at the bottom right here. That's the first one. Now I thought it would trip a breaker, but it didn't. Because it's on a 20 amp breaker, but it's still running good. This is 110 machine. And I'm not gonna buff it. I'm gonna just weld right over on top of that. I'm gonna put a layer right above that one. This is my second one. And this machine will be great for welding stuff around the house and tractor parts and on your trailer, because it's got really good penetration. And this is inner shield flux core, and I'm gonna weld 1 right on top of that. So this is gonna be 3 showing. You can see that piece of wood down there is getting hot. Start smoking a little bit. And if you look in the description, you can purchase this on Amazon. I said if you purchase it on Amazon, I get a small fee, and this can help me make more videos. So look in the description below for different things I have for purchase on Amazon, and visit my website at www.weldingstuff.net. As you can see, I'm buffing this off. And I did a review on another flux core machine, but this one I do it by 1,000%. And you just have to pay a couple of $100 more for this Klutch machine, but you can do your Mig welding, aluminum welding, stainless. You can do it all. It don't look too bad. Hadn't welded in a while, but this is a good machine. So if this video helped, subscribe to my channel and have a great day. And also look at the reviews and look in the description. Thank you. Bye.